I'm trying to find myself. Sometimes that's not easy. We are all of us stars, and we deserve to twinkle. If you can make a girl laugh, you can make her do anything. I restore myself when I'm alone. I'm good, but not an angel. I do sin, but I'm not the devil. I'm just a small girl in a big world trying to find someone to love. A smart girl leaves before she is left. Fear is stupid, so are regrets. We should all start to live before we get old. Always remember to smile and look up at what you got in life. I'm not interested in money. I just want to be wonderful.